Are you thinking of buying an investment property but aren't really sure what type of property is best suited for you? Well, if you want to be a little more hands-off, then I would suggest you look into purchase an investment condo. You're paying the maintenance fees, so a lot of all the maintenance is already taken care of you, and all the big ticket items are owned by the condo corporation: roof, windows, doors, etc. But if you want to earn potentially a higher cash flow and also your equity in your property build a little bit faster, then I would suggest you look for a multi-res unit. Anything more than 2 units. So you can have a bungalow, for example, have a basement apartment and another apartment upstairs. Why do I say multi-res? Well, if you just purchase a home, for example, first off, if you don't get a renter, you're going to eat all the costs of it being vacant. At least with a basement and an upstairs apartment, if one of those units is paying rent, you're getting some cash flow. You don't need to have all of it rented out to get some more cash flow. And the second reason is, units that are divided into smaller units tend to earn more income than just the whole. So for example, if you have a home like a bungalow and it's say on its own rents for $4,000, well, if you split the basement basement into a rental property and the upstairs, you could probably earn more money. Maybe get $1,500 for the basement, $22 for the upper. You just earn better cash flow. That's just one example. If you are interested in learning more, feel free to reach out.